Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix this error that you might be getting when you try to render your MMD animation. So I was getting this earlier today and I couldn't figure out what to do. I was basically getting this um, box whenever I tried to render, but if I clicked on anything other than AVI raw, MMD would just crash. And if I clicked on AVI raw and hit OK, some really awkward things would happen and it wouldn't actually save a video. So I'm gonna tell you guys how I fixed this. So first thing I did was well, you want to check what kind of system you have, if you have like a 64-bit or not. So I recommend, if you're on like Windows, going to Control Panel and then clicking on System, and this should basically just click on one of these two, and that'll show you if you have a 64-bit system or not. And then once you figure out that, what you want to do is go to MMD. So we'll just wait for this to load. And then you want the newest version of MMD. So I have a 64-bit, so I would click this one. And then my mistake was that after I downloaded the 64-bit version, I did not come down here and download these necessary links with the 64-bit version. I went ahead and deleted MMD earlier today and installed it again, but this time I also installed these, and that seemed to be the issue. So yeah, that should hopefully fix your problem. Um, so I have this animation here, and while you're here, I just want to show you. So I have this little animation here, and I recommend going to getting this UT video compressor. It's supposed to be much better than the AVI compressor. I'll put the link in the description, but you basically want to come all the way to the bottom of the page here, and you can basically just click on the exe one, and then when the download pops up in the bar, you can just click on it, uh, hit yes and everything, hit install, and then that should show up. So let's do it. Render. This can be whatever name. And then yeah, here, instead of AVI, after you install that UT video thing at the bottom of the page, you can basically click on any of these. Someone from the Discord said that the RGB one was good, so you can just go ahead and click on that and hit OK. And then yeah, it should render now. That mine was only 12 frames, so it's going to be pretty fast. So yeah, after you do that, you should have it. Now, if you go to your file, it might not actually play because it doesn't support UT video. So what you can do is go to Google again and type in UT video player, or well, it should bring up VLC media player, and this will basically run almost anything. So what you can do is go over here, and if you have 64-bit, I want to click on this arrow and go to the Windows 64-bit version and open that and run that, right? And then you should be able to just open this program and yeah, just open your file. Yeah, you can just open your file and run that program. So yeah, my, it was weird because earlier when my MMD wasn't working, I had MMD.exe in the file, and I also had MMDxShow.dll in the folder, but it still wouldn't read it for some reason. So you have to make sure that you definitely went and downloaded these necessary, I guess, redistributable packages right here. And yeah, that should fix it. Good luck.